Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mask up the bathroom. We're going to start with the floor. So as you see here, I've masked up here, all around, and then I've dust sheeted the floor. Dust sheeted the floor, so that when we spray, we don't get any spray on the floor. I've done the toilet, the sink, and the radiator. This masking goes all the way around, and this is just to, if the dust sheet comes out of it, then the spray doesn't get on the floor. Now I'm going to clean the bath. As you can see, the bath is a bit dirty. It could have some grime on it, shampoos, conditioners, grease, limescale. So we have to remove that first before we put on any primer and enamel. As you can see, the bath is pretty dirty. Also, I'm using 120 sanding paper on the cast iron. You wouldn't use 120 on an acrylic or plastic bath, but 120 is fine for a cast iron. It's too wet. See how dirty this bath is. So now I'm going to remove the old ceiling. If you look here, this is kind of dirty and old, so we don't want to spray over that. Okay, so now the bath is fully cleaned. I've removed some of the old silicone. So there's no grease or dirt on there anymore. It's still kind of stained and worn out, but it's actually fully clean now. So now I'm going to mask it up. Okay, so now everything is masked up. Now I'm going to use a thinner, which gets rid of any grease, any residues, kind of just takes away any excess dirt. after you've used the thinner on the bath, where we're going to use the first bonder, which is like an etch bonder, which means it kind of bites into the surface. We bond it twice. One is a wipe-on bonder, and the other one is a spray-on bonder, which is basically like primers. So we do it twice, so our white surface never comes off. As you can